Welcome, y'all. Can you believe dogs' sense of smell is 40 times better than ours? Imagine what your socks must smell like to them. And did you know the Basenji is the only dog breed that can't bark? They yodel instead. It's the canine version of a country song. Ever seen a dog chase its tail? They do that when they're bored. So if you're feeling dull, try spinning in circles. It might just be the pick-me-up you need. Until next time, keep wagging those tails and remember, life is always better with a four-legged friend.